Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We are transplanting this 18-inch diameter live oak tree this morning. We are in Reddick, Florida, which is in the northwest corner of Ocala. This is a live oak that we're just moving for a homeowner from one spot to another. We're moving it about 300 feet is all. This tree has a 10-foot diameter dirt ball. It's about 30 to 35 feet tall, but it's 50 feet wide. We classify this as a medium-sized tree. Definitely not large, but large enough. So we've got a 130-ton crane here that's going to pick this tree up, and then we're going to stand it up on a trailer and then drive the trailer over to the spot where the tree goes. I'll be making several more videos while the job is in process so you can see the whole thing when it's done.